Hello friends, welcome to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm showing you how to make shrimp and pepper stir fry. This is a very delicious stir fry meal that is so much healthier, cheaper, and better than takeout. Let's get started. We're using some large shrimp for this recipe. We're going to season the shrimp with some garlic powder, onion powder. We're also adding some sesame oil, soy sauce, oyster sauce, and cornstarch. We're going to mix everything together, then allow the shrimp to marinate in the mixture for at least 30 minutes. While the shrimp is marinating, we're going to put together the stir-fry sauce. We have some chicken broth in this bowl. Into that, we're going to add some soy sauce, oyster sauce, rice wine vinegar, brown sugar, and cornstarch. Mix everything together very well, then set the sauce aside for later. Next, drizzle some olive oil into a pan heated over medium heat. Once the oil gets very hot, we're going to add the marinated shrimp. We're going to cook the shrimp for 2 minutes on this side, then turn them over and cook them for 2 minutes on the other side. We want the shrimp to develop a golden brown color just like this. That's going to add so much flavor to the stir fry. Once the shrimp has finished cooking, take it out of the pan, then set it aside for later. Drizzle some more olive oil into the pan. I went ahead and cut up some bell peppers, onion, and garlic. I'm going to throw the bell peppers and onion into the pan, then season with salt and black pepper. Saute the onion and peppers on high heat for 2 to 3 minutes. We want them to soften but also have a little bit of crunch. Add the minced garlic and a little bit of red pepper flakes. Mix everything together and cook for an extra 30 seconds. Then add the cooked shrimp and the stir-fry sauce. Mix everything together and cook on high heat for 1 minute. We want the sauce to thicken just like this. Once that is done, this delicious shrimp and pepper stir fry is ready to be enjoyed. This came out so good. It is best served over rice. It's very flavorful and delicious. If you guys would like to make this recipe, check the description box for all the ingredients and measurements.